this video, we will learn A1 reading and speaking. My lovely students, welcome to Ash English Lab. Are you ready for some exciting reading and speaking practice today? Repeat after me. Speak loud and clear and have fun. Let's start. Tom lives in a small village called Green Village. It is a quiet and beautiful place. There are green trees, colorful flowers, and clean streets. People in this village are kind and friendly. Everyone knows each other and always smiles. Every morning, Tom wakes up early. He wakes up at 7 o'clock. The sun shines through his window. Tom opens his eyes and stretches his arms. He feels fresh and happy. He looks outside the window. Birds are singing in the trees. The sky is blue and clear. Tom says, "Good morning, world." Tom gets out of bed and makes his bed. Then he washes his face and brushes his teeth. After that, he goes to the kitchen. His mother is already there. She is making breakfast. The kitchen smells very good. Tom sits at the table. His mother gives him eggs, bread, and milk. Tom says, "Thank you, Mom." His mother smiles and says, "You're welcome." They eat breakfast together and talk happily. Tom tells his mother about his plans for the day. After breakfast, Tom takes his bag. He waves goodbye and leaves the house. Outside, the air is fresh and cool. Tom walks slowly on the small road. On the way, he sees his neighbor, Mrs. Brown. She is watering her flowers. Tom says, "Good morning, Mrs. Brown." She smiles and says, "Good morning, Tom. Have a nice day." Tom continues walking. Soon he meets his best friend, Alex. Alex is riding his bicycle. He stops and says, "Hi, Tom." Tom laughs and says, "Hello, Alex." They start walking together. They talk about school, games, and funny stories. Alex says, "After school, let's play football." Tom says, "That sounds great." Soon they arrive at the school building. The school is small but very nice. Students are coming from many streets. Some students are talking and laughing. The teacher greets everyone with a smile. Tom sits in his classroom. Today they learn new English words. The teacher writes words on the board. Tom listens carefully and writes the words in his notebook. Learning English makes Tom excited. He wants to speak English very well one day. At lunchtime, Tom and Alex go outside. They sit under a big tree. They open their lunch boxes. Tom has a sandwich and an apple. Alex has rice and chicken. They eat together and share their food. They laugh and enjoy their time. After school, Tom and Alex go to the park. The park is full of children and families. Some children are playing football, some are flying colorful kites. Birds are singing and the wind is soft. Tom and Alex play football for a long time. They run, laugh, and feel very happy. After playing, they sit on a bench, they drink water and relax. Tom looks around the park and smiles. He says, "Life is beautiful." Alex nods and says, "Yes, it really is." Later in the evening, Tom walks back home. The sky becomes orange and pink. The sun slowly goes down behind the trees. The village becomes quiet again. When Tom arrives home, his family is waiting. They eat dinner together. Tom tells them about his day at school and the park. His parents listen and smile. After dinner, Tom reads a book. He learns a few new English words. Then he writes them in his notebook. Tom loves learning new things. Before sleeping, Tom looks at the stars in the sky. The night is calm and peaceful. Tom feels thankful for his happy day. He closes his eyes and goes to sleep. Tomorrow will be another beautiful day in Green Village. Great job, everyone! You have finished reading today's story. You did very well listening and speaking with me. See you in the next amazing video. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.